couldn't be more excited. My Dirodi Rover has finally arrived. Opening the box, the bike comes mostly assembled. Inside the box is another box, and inside that box is another box. And this is what's inside those boxes. And then a small bag inside that has a screwdriver, a multi-tool, and a couple of Allen keys. Very handy and very useful. Now it comes time to getting the thing out of the box. It's 30 kilos, and you probably should actually get some help to get that out. Now it comes to the exciting part of getting all the zip ties off. And then the plastic. Now there's a small bar that runs between the front forks, just so that the forks don't bend in travel. So undo that and throw it away. Now I put my front guard on after the wheel, which you're actually meant to put the front guard on first. So pretend there's a front guard on, put the front wheel on, screw that all together. Now there's a washer with a weird hook on it. Here it is. Make sure you don't lose those, because that's what keeps the nuts from spinning around. Wrench that down tight, because that's the only thing between you and your wheel falling off. Now the pedals, make sure you put the right pedal on the right side and the left pedal on the left side. Otherwise, they won't go on. And then tighten them up. Now comes time for the rear pegs. I'm still not convinced I have these on the right way around, but they're on. Now the front light, I'm sure this is what you have to do. It doesn't seem to fit through the handlebars, so I had to undo the cable and then put it around the front. It was a fairly fiddly bolts to put together, but I mean, you only do it once, so just be careful. Now removing the plastic from the seat. Now the charging. You make sure you charge the bike for 7 hours before you're using it. You need to get that battery fully charged on the first charge. Now it's time to rip the Dirodi Rover.
I can take it, I don't need a prize. Leave out the fact that I am up against 1,000 guys. My intuition efficient, cause I can't use my mind. I'll try to